पतंजलि पावर वीटा प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 2 के इस असली दंगल में अब वक्त है मुकाबले का। दिल्ली, आर यू रेडी? दिव्य सज्जनों, पतंजलि पावर वीटा प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 2 के इस पहले मुकाबले में मुकाबला हो रहा है पुरुषों के 74 किलोग्राम वर्ग में और एनसीआर पंजाब रॉयल्स की ओर से आ रहे हैं जितेंद्र कुमार। पतंजलि पावर वीटा प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 2 के इस असली दंगल में जयपुर निंजास की ओर से आ रहे हैं जॉर्जिया मूल के याकूब मखराश्वी।
Seats in the house are taken. Right then, ladies and gentlemen, this is the first bout on day 2. And for the NCR Punjab Royals, it's Jitendra, the 23-year-old from India. Commonwealth Championship gold in Singapore that he won in 2016. His best overseas performance. Senior national gold in 2016 as well. And he is up against Yacoub Makarashvili, the 31-year-old experienced campaigner from Georgia. Of course, a bronze at the 2016 World Cup is his as well. We've got Sunny Deol in attendance to watch the action on day 2 in the Patanjali Power Vita Pro Wrestling League Season 2. Big names here in attendance. The referee for this opening bout is Vesna Pepeski. She will be officiating this bout. In the commentary box, I'm Raman Bhanot. With me is Ajay Mehra. And Ajay, well, this is an interesting little contest. NCR Punjab Royals up against Jaipur Ninjas. We'll see a total of 7 bouts today in different weight categories to determine the winner of the tie.
Thanks a lot, Raman, and good evening all the viewers who are watching this lovely telecast. Yes, it's going to be a very, very mouth-watering contest. 7 bouts, and the first of them has just started. That's going to be very interesting. Jitendra, 74 kgs, has done well, gold medal in the Commonwealth Championship in Singapore in 2016. And not to forget that he's facing a very tough opponent who's got a lot of experience behind him. Yacoub has done well, bronze in the World Cup in 2016. So this is going to be a very, very engrossing battle indeed.
The Georgian, remember, has also got a bronze at the European Championships, so definitely a wrestler with more pedigree. Jitendra would be keen to prove a point and get his team off to a winning start. Jitendra with his back towards us. Remember, he's contesting for NCR Punjab Royals. Almost about a minute gone in the contest in this opening round. And both grapplers just taking their time, just getting a measure of each other's skill.
Yeah, this happens very often, Raman. We have seen this happening. Just going now for the attack there, Yacoub. Not able to lash properly. But just mentioning about the referee, you mentioned about Vesna, who's the referee for this game. The match chairman for this game, Ashok Kumar, the judge as well, Virinder Malik, as far as this first bout is concerned. Just taking their time. Might be the passivity zone as well. That's exactly what the referee suggested to both the grapplers.
Well, he's got himself into trouble here as Makarashvili, because Jitendra is going to score the opening points. He's got a couple of points. He's got behind his opponent as well. Now trying to flip him over to take perfect advantage of this situation. If he can flip him over, he'll get 2 more points. And that's the reason why you can see the referee is allowing that hold to continue. Now finally calling for both to get into the neutral position. Sunny Deol looking on.
Absolutely, smiles on that face, because we're mentioning that Yaqub is a tough opponent, but initial points scored by Jitendra, and that's exactly what the NCR Punjab were looking for. Dominating, but this is a comeback. Once again, getting some hold here. Yaqub is getting some control. So good work done by him and garnering 4 points very quickly.
Oh, you've woken up the sleeping giant. That's what's happened here. Jitendra might have scored the first 2 points, but Yaqub with that takedown and then flipping his opponent over quickly, garnering 4 points. So he's leading by 2 points, and there's still just under a minute left in the opening round.
You know, the first bout, Raman, is always very important. You want to set the tone. You want to, win your game. And that's the reason, because this is the first match of the season for both the teams. We all know about Jaipur Ninjas. They're playing for the first time in the Pro Wrestling League. So they want to really dominate, start with a good win out here, especially the first bout.
And the big setback for the Jaipur Ninjas is that one of the key wrestlers for them, Ritu Fogart, has actually been blocked by the NCR Punjab Royals today. The most expensive female wrestler in Pro Wrestling League Season 2. For the moment, look at that. The Georgian getting himself out of trouble there, Yaqub Makarashvili.
Yeah, absolutely. I just saw Jitendra couldn't get that proper hold. And not much time left now. But what a contest. What a first round out here. Absolutely brilliant. 3 minutes gone. So that's the end of the first round. A lot of stars are out here. People in a lot of attendance as well. Smiles all round. But good work done by Jitendra, I thought.
This is the second round of 3 minutes. The final round in this bout. Can the Georgian hold on to his lead and consolidate it? Or will India's Jitendra, who's competing for NCR Punjab Royals, make a comeback? I'm Raman Bhanot, with me is Ajay Mehra. Ajay, this promises to be a humdinger of 3 minutes.
Absolutely. And I thought very good defense as well by Yaqub Raman, the way he just moved back. Now this is the heavyweight categories. You won't see much footwork. A lot of power, a lot of strength as far as the muscles go of both the grapplers. Just waiting and watching. Not in a hurry at all. Jitendra looking a bit aggressive. He wants to latch on, but this could be very, very tight. Yaqub trying to get that stranglehold.
Yes, he's got that single leg hold, and that's the reason why he scored 2 points. Vesna, the referee, indicating the same. So the lead is now swelled 6-2 in favor of the Georgian, who's competing for Jaipur Ninjas.
And still, he's got a hold here. So looking for more points.
And I dare say he's just looking to consolidate. That was the original hold that he'd got, for which he got 2 points because he got behind his opponent. Now trying to flip him over, unable to do that. And the referee indicating that they need to come out of that clinch into the neutral position at the center of the mat.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think this is good move as well by Yaqub. He started off pretty well. Now is the other way around. It's Jitendra who's just trying to take control. Single leg tackle by him. He's trying to latch on. But again, very good work by Yaqub coming back. Oh, what a contest.
2 points for Jitendra, because now, despite the defensive tactics that Yaqub Makarashvili was trying, 2 points garnered by Jitendra. You could see what Yaqub had done. He grabbed onto Jitendra's left leg to deny him a complete maneuver to get around him. Despite that, 2 more points taken. So the gap is just 2 points, something special. That's what Jitendra needs now.
Yeah, but good to see Jitendra fighting all the way. That's very important. Of course, Yaqub has got the lead, but you never know. Still trying to get that hold. Not in firm control at the moment, but he's trying to get that control. Just get under Yaqub's right leg. Not very easy, but good defensive work as well.
And that defense could very well move into attack now, because yes, he's managed to break the hold. Yaqub couldn't consolidate. In fact, Jitendra now making a comeback. Oh, he could be in trouble there. 2 points for the Georgian. Yaqub Makarashvili moves up to 8 points now and gets another 2. because he's managed to get behind his opponent now. So he's made the most of this move. He's leading 10-4.
And what a start we have seen. What a start and what a contest. That's really fantastic to see. Very, very fascinating indeed.
Oh, you've got to give credit to Jitendra. He's fought with a lot of heart. He's been attacking. He's not just let the bout drift away aimlessly. He's attacked. Unfortunately for him, the Georgian's been a little more experienced.
Yeah, absolutely. I think that's working in his favor because he's got all the experience behind him. He's done well in the international tournaments. But at the moment, Jitendra fighting all the way. Not much time left for him. He's got to see that. Really leading by some margin here, Yaqub. But once again, dominating. Will be a couple of points more for him. Another takedown by Yaqub.
He's managed to get behind his opponent and then take him down to the mat. And that's the reason why he's managed those 2 points. So 12-4 is going to be the final result of this bout, and it's going to be a win that Jaipur Ninjas will start with. The much fancied Yaqub Makarashvili registers a win as Sunny Deol looks on. So not the best of starts for NCR Punjab Royals, but a great start for Jaipur Ninjas as the Georgian registers a comfortable victory in this opening bout.
But what a match. I thought even Jitendra gave all his 100%, played well, but of course Yaqub was the winner in the second round, doing pretty well.